Previously on Wildlife.
Big man, take my hand, take my hand. Oh, babe.
You're a murderer!
I'm not a murderer!
Yes, you're a murderer!
I'm not a murderer!
You are a murderer!
You're making my feelings be.
Stop killing the fish, you're a murderer!
I'll be a darkness, you eat darkness. You must eat darkness.
Two couples, one nerd, and a ghetto girl.
Yeah, I'll be good.
Up against a spoiled brat
I wanna go home! I can't take this no more!
with her gangster boyfriend.
Uptown girl them love Batman, I see it.
They all have one thing in common.
No, control a girl.
No survival skills.
Oosa!
You're a mad woman!
Hey!
With $1 million on the table, will they make it out alive? Without food, water, and internet on the episode of Jamaicans Live in the Wild.
Babe. Yo, but how this, you know? Yo, man, father, Rasta, and a man should know if light fire, you know. Yo, this is stress, man. All over my yard, you know.
My God. What will you do right so? What I want for you?
Yo, man, I'm not talking right now, you know. I'm not talking.
And I alone frustrated.
I don't even know, man.
You know some awesome to tell you?
What that?
You see your so-called girlfriend, she don't want you, yeah? Because she tell me so you can't read.
What?
So by the way, where you sit on she?
Oh, she really said that? She tell her that?
Trust me when I say she said that. As a matter of fact, where you sit on she? Compared to me, compared to this, where you sit? Tell me.
Yo, she have money, yo. I can't believe she, yo, my rate her, you know. I can't believe she said that, man.
Yeah, that she say. And she say you come like a crow. Because she say no, in a bush you go catch things she eat and you can't pick nothing. That she say. So, since she not there right now, what you plan to do? Me alone there saying because I can't find Steve. Steve is another one, you know. I can't bother with him. You know, I think he's a better man than Steve. For real, you know?
Yeah, eyes me.
From a long time, from the first day we were together.
Like all the swag.
So you know like me too?
Of course, your body nice and comfortable. Come out strong.
So my body alone now?
No, your lips them sexy too. You see me?
Oh.
Yeah, of course. Meaningful.
What the bumbo is going on here? I leave you for 5 seconds and you're closing up with that mad one. Yes, I have a problem.
So what?
Yeah, my body good. My body good. All the money I spent on you. That clothes that you're in, I bought it.
So what? So
the
what?
shoes that you have
So
on, I
what?
bought it. Really? Bush T, you're doing that to me?
What happened?
Tell your mad woman to leave my man alone.
I'm on my name.
I'm off my man.
Hey, what's going on?
They don't want
What?
mommy up him no.
I don't
Get
understand.
off my way.
No. Calm down.
Bushty, you're really doing this to me.
So what happened? I'm on my name. I'm on my name.
Take my clothes off. Take my clothes off.
Hey.
He's taking my man away.
I can't believe you do me this, babe. I thought we come on a trip to get some love, but why you giving it to him?
Yeah, you have a problem.
I thought you loved me. Hey, what did you do to my lady? Why is she holding you? Why is my lady holding you? Babe, talk to me.
You're really doing this to me?
What about me, babe? You don't love me no more? Yo, back up. Hey, back her up, Back her up, Back her up. Okay, don't. It's okay. Yo, back her up,
Hey. Come on. Run up in me.
We're done. I can't believe you do this to me. Nice lady. What's wrong? Were you hard? Stay with me. What's wrong? Stay with me.
Do this to me.
Nice lady, listen to me. Listen to my voice, nice lady. Nice lady. Nice lady. Hey, come back to me. Nice lady. I need a doctor. Help! Somebody help! She needs a doctor. Help, nice lady. my voice. She needs a doctor. Somebody help. She needs a doctor. Come on, listen to me. Help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Nice lady!
Calm down.
She needs a doctor.
Calm down.
I don't know what
Young man,
happened to her.
calm down.
She was a nice lady. Come back to me. Nice lady. Nice lady. Is she gonna be okay? Talk to me.
Wait, hold on.
Doc, come on, talk to me. What's happened to her? Doc, what? Talk to me. Doc.
She's gone.
No! You want me alone left? Me alone. Well, man, I am too much.
Where her, Biggs, man? Where her? Calm down, big man. Calm down. What happened?
You help me. Why?
I have a good heart, big man.
I'm gonna take your girl.
I know, but I always have a good heart. Come on.
Are we alone left?
I know.
Are we alone left?
Let's come on. We have to survive.
I'm foot.
Come on. Take time, girl. Then we're gonna slide.
Yo, we can't make it.
Yo, we can.
We can't make it. Leave me as a dog.
Come on.
Leave me as a dog.
Come on, big man.
Leave me as a dog.
No, big man.
Yo.
We have to survive.
No, let me. My
Come on.
No.
You can't die like this.
No,
No, you have
Why you leave me as a dog?
You have to die. No, you can't die here. Come on, big man. Wait. Look, big man, look, we made it. Look, road. Yeah, we won, big man.
Whoa, road.
Yeah. Guess
Yes.
what, big man?
What?
I got a PS3.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What?
I
Yeah.
have an extra controller.
You have Call of Duty?
Yeah, big man, come on.
Oh, let's play.
Come on, big man. Whoa. Let's go. We have to make it. Yeah.
No. One man against the world, fighting to fight. If I die tomorrow, man, we don't cry. I'm a soldier. No. One man against the world, fighting to fight. If I die tomorrow, man, we don't cry. Need a toothbrush, but I for my shoes. I for clean.
What the bumbo is going on here?
Wait, I'll be a...
Me own him up. Oh, I have a problem. Yeah.
Yeah, you. Alright, ready. Bro, girl, hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry, girl.
I'm good, yeah.
Good? Good.
Yes,
You
good, man.
You good?
I'm sorry about that.
You can't listen when
You need to help me.
Listen, not listen.
I know.
We don't understand. You can't even tell about the old. I was
sorry.
so scared.
Yo, give him back that, people, come, give him back that. Come from my back. Come from my back.
Be careful. Be careful.
Come from my back.
Come from
Don't destroy me.
Babe, just calm down.
Hey! You don't. Alright. You don't hear me? Wait.
What?
Wait.
What to her?
Wait, babe.
I can't try. You over there now?
Hey!
Calm down.
Babe, you don't stop talking.